Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. Now this project is approximately 55% complete and is scheduled for completion in May 2026. So this is the section of the project from Anshore to Bogue. This is the road that takes you from Anshore. This is the Montego Bay Perimeter Road, but this is the section of the road closer to Anshore. Now, Montego Bay is the largest city in Western Jamaica. It is the center of activity for the western part of Jamaica and even parts of the north coast. But it has the Sangster International Airport, which is the largest airport in Jamaica. So Jamaica has a population of 3 million, a third of which live in the Kingston metropolitan area. So Port Montego Bay probably has a population of less than a million, the entire area. But the airport brings in up to 6 million visitors a year. So the infrastructure and that number keeps growing every year. And with all the developments taking place on the north coast and western Jamaica, that number is only going to increase. So the city has gotten congested with traffic because you have the regular Jamaicans who use Montego Bay as a central hub for the western part. And then you have the tourists coming in through the airport and going to different places in the island. So they're building this road to help. The main reason is to help with the flow of traffic in Montego Bay. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this project and the completion date. The Montego Bay Perimeter Road project is approximately 55% complete and is scheduled for completion in May 2026. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness made the disclosure during a statement to the House of Representatives. The Montego Bay Perimeter Road project is a US $274 million design/build construction contract with China Harbour Engineering Company, Czech. The scope of work includes design and construction of the Montego Bay Bypass Road, which is 15.1 kilometers, the Barnett Street and West Green Avenue Road rehabilitation and expansion works, design and construction of the Long Hill Bypass to reduce traffic congestion, and a comprehensive drainage study of the Montego Bay Bypass area. The Long Hill Bypass was originally designed as 2 lanes to be later expanded to 4 lanes. However, the government has decided to expand to 4 lanes now for significant cost savings and the benefits it will afford residents of St. James, Dr. Holness said. The Prime Minister also reported that 90% of work on the Montego Bay River Bridge has been completed. I toured the bridge and it is a fantastic piece of infrastructure. It is the largest bridge in Jamaica, Dr. Holness said. Alright guys, so that is the end of the update article. What I should have said, this we're looking at now is a Montego Bay Bypass Road. This section is closer to the Anshore area. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe and leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.